All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Coach Adam, and it is Coach's Corner. Today, lesson 6, we are talking about corner kicks. That is the last of our free kick series. And what we're going to be focusing on today is, doesn't matter right side or left side, it is how do we approach corner kicks. So let me make the first statement. Corner kicks, advantage play. How do we make it an advantage? We put someone forward into that position that's typically not going to be there. So, right off the bat, our corner kicks will be taken by either our stopper or our sweeper. So let's go, in this case, go ahead and send our stopper forward. Okay, that gives us 3 defenders now. Our stopper moves forward. Then, how do we line up? Same rules as we had before. Flood left, flood right. We need to know, does our kicker have a strong leg? Is it a so-so leg? Or did they break their leg yesterday? They can only kick it 2 feet, right? We need to know that. Who's kicking the ball? Based upon that, we make the right judgment. So, off the bat, our strikers are going to go up there between the 12-yard line and the 6-yard line. 12-yard line is not marked on the field. It's right about there, okay? Between the 12-yard line and the 6-yard line, let's put our strikers out there. Then we have our midfielders. We got our offensive midfield. We got our right wing. We got our left wing. We got our defensive midfield, okay? If our offensive midfield decides to play more of a backdoor scenario like this, okay? Shifting back here, 3 people to that side, flood left. If they start coming more along this side, flood right. That's it. Our center midfielders dictate whether it's a flood left or a flood right. Okay? They need to focus on who's kicking the ball, and they need to focus on where that advantage is going to come to play. Just like we did on the free kicks in the last video, my defensive midfielder hangs back. They hang back to make sure that we can send this ball back in if it comes out of play. If this ball gets kicked in right here and it gets booted immediately back here, this person's here to take an amazingly blazing fast shot, boom, right at the goal at any point in time. Okay? Our offensive midfielder decides if it's a flood left or if it's a flood right. They can also sit smack dab in the middle and leave it just like that, and it's just a flood. Perfectly fine. What does our defense do? Okay, in this scenario, our stopper moved forward. They're taking the kick. But our defense never is back here on this side of the field. We play a position on a team, not a position on the field. Our team is in the offensive zone and they are attacking. Right now, my wings move forward. My sweeper or stopper, whoever hung back, is my anchor back. Okay? We go forward, ball gets played in, it gets booted out in the middle. Defensive midfielder shooting it back in. Ball gets booted out to either the right or left side. Now we're feeding the ball back in. We want as many shots to go at the goal as possible. So this doesn't change if the corner kick is up high, right? If the corner kick's on the left side of the field, again, flood right, flood left. Defensive midfielder here to clean up any mess. And we still got the same arch back here. Sweeper or stopper, okay? Here, look. I just moved the sweeper up to take the corner kick. The stopper takes their position then. That is our corner kick configuration. That's our set play for corner kicks. If you have any questions, come talk to me on the field. But other than that, let's get out there and make it happen.